please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. So just click here to subscribe and then hit that bell and click all. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Go ahead, do it right now. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Camilla Jules here with another wig review. So today, before we get into the details of the unit, we have to talk about the lippy. We always talk about the lippy before we get into the unit. Today I'm wearing a MAC lipstick in the color Icon. So it's this frosted nude color. So you've got this beautiful color here. And now into the details of the unit. Beauty Forever Hair is a human hair wig company, and they were kind enough to send me this wig for review. Edge scarf, very cute. I'm loving the purple already. This cute charm bracelet. Inside of the cap, you have one comb here in the middle, two combs here on either side. You've got your comb here in the middle, your adjustable straps. So this wig is in their honey. This is 16 inches long, and it is like they call it a blonde highlight wig. I would say like maybe a honey-ish blonde. I don't know, but this is what the wig looks like. Now I've folded back the headband. So this is what it looks like unfolded. And then I've just folded it back. I prefer it to be a little bit thinner. So with the headbands, I'm not going, well, yeah, I guess I'll try this one. It doesn't really go with what I'm wearing, but I'll try this one. And then we've got this one as well. This here retails for $95.70 on their Amazon site. Now this density, it is a very, very thin density. So if you do not like thin densities, this might not be for you. At the same time, thinner densities are more natural, at least for me, because my natural hair is not very full. So this gives it a more natural look when it's not as dense. So this is what it looks like on the left side. This is the right side, and this is the back. So it falls just under bra strap length for me. And for reference, I'm 5'2.5". Yes, this hair is a very fine density. It is layered, nicely layered. I would say this is, I like these layers that are at the front. But it's a cute wig. It's very simple. Very easy. Again, it could be a pro, the density could be a pro or a con. If you like thicker hair, this isn't very thick, but if you like more of a natural density, which I tend to prefer, this is not a bad density at all. It all depends on what kind of look you're going for. So I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not experiencing any tangling or any shedding. The hair is very, very soft, which I like. It's colored hair, so colored hair can be very dry, but this hair is very, very soft. Okay, so I'm gonna try on this headband. I think I like this headband with it. It goes really well with it. So I have my hair tied, so I'm going to put it in a little ponytail. So as you can see, it really is, there isn't a lot of density to this wig. I'm not sure if you can get different densities. I will check it out and see, but with headband wigs, they technically, I don't know. I'll check it out and let you guys know. But that's how it looks in a low ponytail. And then of course, and that was my review for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you'll get the notification. Just in case those notifications don't work, I always say it. Follow me on Instagram. I have lots of different social media. The links are in the description box below or in my about section. Anytime I upload a new video, I will let you guys know that I've uploaded a new video. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.